Hi everyone and welcome again. We are here again for Trade Talks, the segment powered by AMarkets here at CTC FM. As you guys are now watching live at our YouTube channel CTC FM. Welcome back, guys. Of course, we're gonna bring you guys the best out of the best, which is brought to you by our partner, our trusted partner, our recommended broker, of course, AMarkets. But before we go further from here, we would like to thank everyone who's joining us, who already joined us. Do subscribe to our channel as we provide a lot of exclusive content revolving around financial instrument trading exclusively for free for you guys with the help of our recommended and trusted partner. So do make sure you guys subscribe, and a little more help that we would like to ask, do also click the notification button, that little bell that we have over bottom here. Do also click that to get notified every time we go live, every time we post a new content, that you guys can make sure that you guys are not gonna miss any of those exclusive content that we bring to you guys. And also share the segment, copy the link by clicking the share button right below this. There's a share button over there. You can copy the link straight, share it to your WhatsApp group, share it to your Facebook group, or any other places that you guys think would benefit from our segment today, as we will bring you the best out of the best. A lot of things are going to be talked here with our handsome guest that we have here today, the representative from AMarkets. So today is also the third week, the first day out of the third week of Ramadan. So of course, selamat berpuasa to our Muslim friends out here. It's already halfway of Ramadan. We wish the best. We wish a blessed Ramadan for you guys, and this is also a sign for you guys to also make sure to join AMarkets Ramadan contest. It's still going on, and we have the link provided in the description. You guys can check it out, where you guys can win Duit Raya, where you can use to celebrate the Raya more with your families, with your friends, with people that are close to you. AMarkets offered a lot of prizes for this Ramadan contest, and you guys can also check the leaderboard live. Who are currently leading with the percentage of gain. It is also provided in the landing page for the Ramadan contest. Do check it out on the description below. We also do provide the link if you guys want to check out more about the AMarkets affiliate program, as well as if you guys are interested in opening an account in AMarkets. Of course, we're going to talk more about the benefits of trading in AMarkets later with the representative that we have here today, but if you guys want to check it out in advance, do click the links that we provided below in the description, okay? So without further ado, I would like to introduce our two handsome guests that we have here today in the studio. Welcome, Mr. Iskandar as well as Mr. Dennis. Hi guys.
Yeah. Thank you.
How are you guys doing today?
We are fine, and glad to see you again, Boboi. So, CTC lovers, hi everybody. So we are waiting for your questions and your inspiration, comments for us and for our business together. So right now, I would like to introduce our new member of AMarkets.
Yeah.
See, Boboi, I not came along today.
Yes.
This is proactive guy. Let's introduce him, Iskandar. He today inaugurated in our company, being in charge of affiliate and business development. So I'm really happy to onboard Iskandar right now to our team, because having more than 14 years of his experience in financial industry, in banking and other brokerage, he will be definitely good member of our family with his experience in sharing the ideas that we're already doing right now with the respect to our policy mission and the way how we grow here in Malaysia, just starting from December. Even anyway, we have already good intermediate results, and the main sign, our new member of our family will help us with more results. So welcome, Iskandar.
Yes, welcome, Iskandar. Actually, I've met Iskandar before a few years back, and what I can assure you is that Iskandar is a very prominent figure in our local trading community. So it's tidak asing. I've known him before, so I can say that A Market is in good hands with Iskandar in the team. So Iskandar, would you like to introduce yourself?
Thank you very much, Dennis. Thank you, Boboi, for the very kind word. Assalamualaikum. Salam perkenalan pada semua. Terima kasih CTC kerana menjemput kami. Alhamdulillah, setelah Abang Is berdayung di broker lama selama beberapa tahun, kali ni Abang Is kembali dengan broker baru, A-Markets. Okay, Abang Is bertugas di sini sebagai Business Development Manager untuk Asia bersama-sama dengan Mr. Denis, dan kami akan cuba untuk memberikan servis yang terbaik lah untuk semua prospek-prospek dan trader-trader yang berminat untuk trade di A-Markets.
Yes, itu dia. Those are the introduction words from the new affiliate manager for A-Markets, Mr. Iskandar. Do contact him, do look for him if you guys want to explore your opportunities with A-Markets. So today we already have some topics lined up for our trade talk today. Probably mostly we're going to revolve around the facilities that we have A-Markets provided for the client, which is going to be explained by Mr. Iskandar. So Mr. Iskandar, do you want to take over the segment with the facilities that A-Markets provided for the client?
Okey, terima kasih saudara Boboi. Berkenaan dengan facilities yang kita ada di A-Markets. Pertama-tama sekali untuk trader-trader yang mungkin baru ataupun intermediate trader. Okay, antara tools yang terbaik yang kita boleh offer adalah indicators percuma dalam kita punya dashboard. Okay, just access the indicator to at any time. Okay, pertama sekali yang kita boleh offer adalah Cayman indicator.
Cayman indicator.
Cayman indicator ni satu indicator yang sangat special sebab datanya adalah datang daripada commitment of trade. Jadi saya perhatikan sepanjang dalam brokerage dan juga sebagai trader ni, saya perasan ada setengah-setengah trader kita yang gunakan commitment of trade report untuk tengok position di waktu depan kan, sebab itu futures dan sebagainya. So strategi yang mana menggunakan commitment of trade ni saya rasa boleh dibantu dengan menggunakan Cayman indicator ni tadi. Sebab Cayman indicator ni memang definitely ambil data daripada sana, terjemahkan dalam bentuk visual untuk trader kita lebih mudah susun strategi dan faham condition market pada ketika tu. Ini yang pertama. Yang kedua, indikator percuma kita adalah sentiment indicator.
Sentiment indicator.
Sentiment indicator ni bergerak sikit lebih kurang macam kalau kita tengok Fed Watch tool Fed Watch tool tu, ataupun fear greed index, yang mana ditunjukkan fear ataupun greed punya mood dalam sentiment market tu tadi. Okay, satu lagi yang kami tawarkan untuk trader-trader di A-Markets, tapi yang ni ada subscription sikit lah. Subscription
ni bersyarat lah.
$100 minimum deposit adalah auto chartis. So auto chartis ni mungkin ada yang dah familiar, ada yang dah dengar berkenaan dengan auto chartis. So kelebihan auto chartis ni adalah anda tak perlu susah-susah untuk tengok ataupun lukis pattern tu secara manual. Kebanyakan pattern yang kita kenali dalam chart pattern ataupun
candlestick chart pattern yang basic ke yang macam
yang common, yang biasa digunakan dalam trading dan yang mana ada probability yang sangat tinggi untuk jadi orang kata jadi tak ada repaint, tak ada case indicator tukar color dan sebagainya. Benda-benda macam ni kita dah elak siap-siap. So untuk yang gunakan auto chartis ni tadi, dia ada kelebihan pula dari segi trader ke ataupun dari segi IB. Untuk trader dah tentu dia akan bantu untuk pemudahkan urusan nak charting pattern tu tadi. Serta nak tengok number of probability trade. Maksudnya dengan lebih tinggi percentage of probability tu, maknanya setup tu nak jadi lebih cantik lah. Sebab kita nak elakkan daripada repaint. Dan untuk IB, kelebihan dia special sikit. Tapi yang tu awak kena contact saya.
Baru
kita
nak
tak
tahu.
Kita public tu.
baru nak tahu macam apa special tak IB ni. Tapi nampaknya you guys kena contact Mr. Iskandar lah untuk ketahui.
Abang Is, boleh contact Abang Is dekat sama ada Telegram, WhatsApp, bagi siapa yang dah pernah simpan nombor Abang Is. Bagi yang tak ada lagi, boleh cari FB Iskandar A-Markets.
Iskandar A-Markets tapi yang berkenaan yang special untuk IB ni hanya untuk auto chartis lah.
Hanya untuk auto chartis dari segi tools. Benda-benda special yang lain untuk IB, yang tu kita akan simpan untuk segmen akan datang insyaAllah.
Okay. Alright. so ada dua indicator yang free dan juga satu lagi indicator yang perlukan minimum subscription base which is subscription tu dalam bentuk deposit lah.
Ya, betul.
Deposit. So maksud dia only one time deposit $100 dan boleh terus guna sampai bila-bila ke ataupun monthly kena keep on deposit $100?
Dia macam ni, $100 tu deposit masuk dalam wallet, maintain di situ. Maintain di situ. Maknanya kata pump $100 dulu masuk dalam wallet, lepas tu baki kalau ada lebih, yang tu boleh pakai untuk trade lah. So jadi subscription tu tak betul sebab kadang-kadang kita trade tiba-tiba kan drop sikit ke apa kan.
As long as ada $100 dalam wallet lah.
Ya, betul.
Okay, clear. Alright, itu untuk berkenaan dengan indikator yang di-provide secara percuma dan juga subscription base, kira one of the trading tools lah yang boleh diakses oleh trader ataupun client market as well as mereka yang ada buat IB, ada juga yang special dia untuk berkenaan dengan trading tools. Okay, selain daripada trading tools revolving around indikator tadi, apa lagi yang boleh diberikan kepada kita punya klien?
Okey, dalam masa yang sama kalau kita buka di dashboard AMarkets, kita ada services yang lain sebagai contoh free VPS. Ini semua untuk peminat EA, king robot semua boleh cuba dulu dengan kita punya VPS, so that tak perlu run robot tu di VPS sendiri lah, makna cost trading tu akan dikurangkan. So dalam masa yang sama untuk dapatkan VPS ni contact je account manager masing-masing. Bagi tahu dia saya nak dapatkan forex VPS percuma daripada A Market, mereka akan bantu untuk tolong set upkan lah. Cuma
VPS ni percuma?
Benda ni percuma. Untuk VPS ni lah, dalam masa yang sama boleh run mana-mana EA tanpa sebarang sekatan as long as EA tu tak violate trading condition kami.
Ada trading condition yang perlu dipatuhi lah.
Perlu dipatuhi lah. Contohnya macam arbitrage ataupun EA tu digunakan untuk buat volume, generate volume di EA. Yang ni kita tak alu-alukan lah. Kita mengalu-alukan EA yang memang betul-betul diguna pakai untuk trading.
Yes. Kita nak ensure healthy trading punya culture lah.
Ya, betul. Satu, yang keduanya fair and square, fair and transparent lah. Tak ada penipuan di situ. Maklumlah, menipu tak berkat, apatah lagi di bulan puasa.
Itu yang kita nak dengar tu, guys. So ini untuk mereka yang mengamalkan atau menggunakan EA, especially jenis yang nak tutup mata kan. Saya faham dekat luar sana macam-macam jenis trader ada, especially dekat Malaysia ni ada yang all the time 24 hours tengok chart, ada yang nak tutup mata biarkan dia jalan sendiri, dan sudah tentunya lah mereka ini adalah pengguna EA. Dan saya rasa dekat Malaysia juga, dekat community trader kita tak asing lagi pengguna EA ni. Jadi antara kepentingan nak launch EA adalah VPS, sebab kita nak make sure dia punya execution timing dia, memang semua tepat lah. So mungkin dekat tempat lain kena bayar kan. Mungkin ada bermodal sikit lah. Ada bermodal sikit. Tapi dekat AMarkets ni VPS disediakan secara percuma, free of charge, asalkan patuh dia punya trading condition. Betul. So this is one of the attraction for you guys yang nak start EA program dalam trading dan mencari platform yang sesuai lah.
Betul.
Okay. So seterusnya Iskandar,
dalam masa yang sama kita juga ada trade analyzer kat dalam dashboard. Ini digunakan untuk bagi trader-trader kita pull dia punya keputusan trading dia, sama ada profitable ke tak profitable ke, setup tu berapa persen dan sebagainya. Dia punya probability dia boleh didapatkan daripada sini. So dalam kita punya dashboard ni ada benda ni, dan seterusnya selain daripada tu kita ada news notification. News notification ni datang daripada kita punya Telegram channel lah kebiasaannya kalau nak mudah. So Telegram channel ni nanti saya akan kongsikan dia punya link dia tu. Siapa-siapa yang berminat boleh join kat dalam ni, sebab ada ketika-ketikanya tim analis kami pun akan share berkenaan dengan analisis diorang dan juga charting diorang dekat situ. Maybe boleh dapat trade idea untuk trade dekat situ.
Okay. Dan semua ni available dekat website AMarkets.
Ya, semuanya available dalam dashboard mana-mana trader yang berdaftar dengan AMarkets.
Okay. Alright. So maksudnya yang trader analyzer tu maksudnya information yang diberikan tu dalam bentuk yang macam mana?
Information yang diberikan tu dalam bentuk statistik. Statistik of trade lah, untuk kita tahu. Macam kita tahu dulu bila kita belajar trading, kita digalakkan untuk menyimpan journal.
Betul.
Setiap kali entry apa dia punya outcome, macam mana entry tu kita buat, kenapa kita entry exit dan sebagainya.
My FX book sekarang.
My FX book macam tu lebih kurang. Cuma yang ni berada dalam dashboard A-Market. Macam FX book tu kita dah pindahkan masuk ke dalam A-Market, jadi tak payah tengok 2 tempat, tengok satu je.
Cantik guys. Apa orang kata all in one lah.
All in one bang, tepat
boleh
sekali.
diakses di A-Market punya website khas untuk klien-klien A-Market.
Ya, betul.
Untuk trader analyzer ni ada juga ke untuk IB? Maksudnya untuk monitor dia punya pergerakan affiliate dia?
Of course. Untuk IB ni kita ada beberapa tools yang boleh bantu diorang untuk menjadi lebih efisien. Pertama sekali kita ada IB reporting analytics. Yang ni adalah untuk dia tahu dari mana dia punya channel ads yang paling power sekali mendatangkan referral, supaya dia tak bazir cost lah. Sebab macam kita tengok sekarang FB ads pun dah mahal, TikTok ads pun dah naik harga.
Betul.
Jadi each and every cent tu kita gunakan efficiently. So ini adalah satu yang pertama. Yang keduanya adalah reporting untuk existing client yang ada dekat dalam dashboard tu. Maksudnya untuk dia tengok berapa banyak client dah trade, berapa banyak commission yang dia dah generate, bila dia boleh dapat commission, di mana level dia, sama ada silver, gold atau platinum.
Sebab ada tier juga
Ya, sebab dia ada tier, dan berapa banyak dia punya overriding bonus, overriding rebate dan sebagainya. So semua ni berada dalam dashboard IB. Untuk mana-mana IB kita yang aktif tu, memang dia boleh pull on the fly apa saja report yang diperlukan. Kalau report tu tak ada, contact lah Abang Is. Tengok Abang Is generate pula report tu, tengok.
Sebab saya rasa one of the problems untuk yang mereka baru nak berjinak ni, baru trader baru yang kata, saya nak try buat IB lah. Tapi dia tak ada idea atau tak ada produk. Dia tak ada akses untuk maklumat-maklumat macam ni. Dia main buat dia, tapi dia tak tahu mana sebenarnya asal dia punya lead dia datang dari mana kan. So dengan adanya tools-tools yang disediakan oleh A-Markets ni, saya rasa memang tak ada problem lah. Even mereka yang baru trading pun rasanya boleh start jadi IB right away. No problem. So saya rasa apa yang disediakan oleh market yang diterangkan oleh Iskandar sebentar tadi cukup, orang kata cukup compact dan cukup lengkap lah untuk mereka yang baru nak start jadi trader.
Betul.
As well as mereka yang baru start nak jadi IB. Dan juga pada mereka yang nak berhijrah mencari platform baru. Semuanya ada di A-Markets. So jadi cukup menarik you guys. So kalau anda semua yang menonton ataupun yang bakal menonton di masa hadapan ingin cuba platform A-Market, kita sediakan semuanya link di description. Boleh try tekan. Macam mana nak tahu lebih mengenai A-Markets affiliate program, boleh tekan link di bawah. Yang baru nak buka akaun dengan A-Markets, boleh tekan link di bawah. Dan yang masih belum lagi menyertai kita punya Ramadan contest, link juga disediakan di description. Lincah guys.
Sebab kontes tinggal lagi 14 hari sahaja.
Kita dah separuh Ramadan, ada lagi separuh Ramadan ni. Boleh tekan
duit raya menunggu di situ.
Last saya tengok hari tu dia punya gain dia 50% last hari tu. Sekarang dah berapa guys?
Sekarang ada yang hari tu, ada yang pagi tadi saya check dah 1200% ada kot. So memang terperanjat lah saya tengok. Sebab saya tengok hari Senin tak banyak lagi, tiba-tiba hari ni dah sampai 1200. Agaknya semalam ataupun 2 hari lepas gol berjalan jauh. Itu yang
yelah tu macam nak canak gol Tapi saya tak risau sebab trader Malaysia ni gain semua letup-letup.
Memang betul. Saya setuju sangat-sangat.
Takat 1000% 2 minggu. Tak ada hal guys. So you guys make sure kalau korang masih lagi belum menyertai, gunakan peluang ni. Sebab dah halang korang nak trade tu, memang trade ni korang punya career kan.
Betul.
Halang nak masuk sekali kontes ni. Kalau gain kena, kalau timing kena, semua kena, dapat extra hadiah, dapat duit raya untuk diberikan kepada saudara-saudara pada raya yang akan datang ini. Okey, jadi itu sedikit sebanyak tentang promosi yang sedang berjalan. Ada lagi yang Iskandar nak add on berkaitan dengan orang kata client punya facilities.
Okay, untuk extra facilities yang ni saya ulang semula daripada siri-siri yang sebelumnya. Pertama sekali, opening untuk gift card. Okay, untuk dapatkan kalau di tempat lain mungkin orang panggil dia no deposit bonus lah. Kalau kita dekat sini kita panggil benda tu gift card. Yang ini masih lagi boleh didapatkan macam yang Boboi pegang sekarang. Itu dia. Okay, so ini boleh contact dekat tim CTC untuk dapatkan. Janganlah segan-segan, sementara stok masih ada.
Kita dah bagi 1/3, itu masih lagi 2/3.
So kena cepat lah. Kan kalau lambat-lambat habis pula. Ini satu benda yang kita sediakan untuk mana-mana trader, especially yang baru, untuk mulakan career trading diorang tanpa memerlukan sebarang modal. Sebab apa yang awak gain dekat dalam tu awak boleh withdraw. Dengan syarat menepati terms and condition macam biasa.
Baca dulu.
Baca dulu. Kalau tak nak baca tak apa. Account manager telefon, tanya cukup-cukup.
Betul.
Jadi ada orang boleh bagi summary dekat situ lah. Jadi dalam masa yang sama, untuk program IB kita akan extend sehingga 3 tier buat masa sekarang. Di mana master IB boleh gain up to 15% daripada apa yang IB mereka bawa dalam referral.
15 ke 50?
15. 15. Okay, dia ada 5 dan dia ada 15. Dia ada dua tier kat situ, tapi maksimum adalah 15. So kalau yang ini untuk dapatkan keterangan lanjut, mohon WhatsApp Abang Is, mohon kontak Abang Is terus. Okay. So itu adalah penambahan-penambahan terkini yang ada dalam market, dan insya-Allah kita akan tambah lebih lagi bergantung pada feedback apa yang trader-trader nak. Kita akan cuba sediakan.
Daripada 3 episod Track Talk yang kita dah ke udarakan setakat ni, apa yang saya perhati market punya culture adalah mendengar feedback, mendapatkan orang kata opinion daripada local trader untuk memberikan yang terbaik dan yang lebih sesuai dengan culture trading dekat Malaysia ni. So kalau you guys rasa macam market ni ada kurang something kan, contact Abang Is. Padahal boleh reach dekat Facebook tadi Iskandar AMarkets. PM terus Abang Is, kita perlukan event buka puasa. Mana lah kau, benda boleh dah. Ada makan-makan baru caya katanya. So you guys make sure don't worry, AMarkets ni memang open for discussion, open for suggestion. So kalau you guys ada apa-apa, boleh terus reach diorang punya team, boleh suarakan apa yang you guys rasa ataupun kemusykilan yang you guys nak tahu. Okay, so itu yang Is ada repeat tadi. So ada lagi Is nak add on? Kita boleh cakap pasal promotion pula?
Boleh, tak ada masalah. Kita boleh move forward to the promotion.
Okay, so selain daripada Ramadan contest yang tengah berjalan sepanjang Ramadan, apa lagi promotion yang berjalan dengan markets?
Okay, selain daripada Ramadan contest yang dibuat especially untuk Malaysia punya market ni, kita juga ada cabutan bertuah raffles yang menjanjikan hadiah gold bar. So gold bar ni bagi peminat-peminat gold memang kena simpan gold bar spesifik.
Takkan trade gold tapi tak ada pegang physical gold kan?
Tengok alamak, pakcik ni gold dia bocor. Tak syok. Jadi kita ada gold bar untuk raffle ni, dan ini adalah raffle yang akan berlangsung pada bulan depan. Okay. So yang berminat untuk menyertai raffle ni, terus maklumkan pada account manager anda untuk dapatkan terms and condition, dan juga untuk deactivatekan raffles tu punya tiket. So nanti dekat sana dia akan maklumkan berapa banyak deposit yang kena dibuat, berapa banyak lot yang nak kena di trade sebelum nama anda, sebelum wallet number tadi tu kita masukkan ke dalam list cabutan. Okay. Hadiahnya tu adalah gold bar bermula daripada 1 gram. 1 gram.
So berapa ramai pemenang yang boleh menang raffle ni?
Okay, untuk raffle ni sebenarnya ada several pemenang yang kita akan sediakan. Okay, kalau tak salah saya dia lebih kurang dalam 10 pemenang untuk raffles ni.
Saya pun tengah buka dia punya landing page ni. Memang physical goal lah.
Ini memang kita bagi ketui.
Jadi open kepada klien Malaysia saja ke ataupun satu dunia?
Okay, raffles ni sebenarnya dibuka untuk satu dunia. Tetapi untuk Malaysia punya memang akan ada khas allocation.
Ada allocation lah.
Itu maknanya kita tak akan belaga dengan yang globalnya. Jadi chances to win is very big. Chances untuk dapatkan gold bar tu is very big. Jadi bagi mereka-mereka yang merasa nak pegang gold bar nanti, jangan lupa untuk sertai raffle kami.
Alright. Tadi ada cakap pasal syarat ke? Macam mana nak join raffle ni?
Okey, untuk referrals ni syarat-syarat dia tu kita ada di landing page. Dalam masa yang sama saya minta maaf saya tak bawa keluar nota dia tadi. Okey, cuma referrals ni akan dijalankan sampai bulan 5 nanti.
Bulan 5. So ni memang ongoing promotion lah. So kalau you guys buka website amarkets.com pun memang terang-terang dekat depan tu sekali dah tunjuk dah Spring Raffle from A-Markets. Trade and win gold, physical gold. So boleh tekan dekat situ dan check out dia punya syarat-syarat lah dan cara untuk menang, dan peluang untuk menang juga untuk klien Malaysia adalah besar. Seperti Abang Is mention sebentar tadi, memang ada allocation khas untuk klien Malaysia, so tak perlu nak risau pasal opportunities lah.
Betul, persaingan tu kita dah kurangkan. Kita dah jaga MM dia.
So bersaing lah dengan klien Malaysia yang lain. Okay, dan juga ada cara-cara dia untuk naikkan percentage anda dan tambah kupon ataupun dia punya tiket untuk raffle tu lah
untuk menaikkan chances of winning.
Yes, semua ada dekat kita punya, ada dekat A-Markets punya landing page. Do check it out. Okay, so next Bang Is, 0% commission. Okay, 0% commission ni ini adalah benda yang kita selalu tekankan lah, di mana kita tidak ambil commission di atas mana-mana trade yang trader buat. Dan commission ni kalau ada pun hanya pada akaun ECN. Ini biasanya trader-trader akan faham lah, sebab akaun ECN spread dia rendah. Jadi commission yang kami kenakan tu round turn $5 sahaja. Tak mahal mana pun. Okay, so daripada situ untuk mereka-mereka yang scalping ni tadi, ECN ni memang spread dia sangat nipis. Sangat-sangat nipis dan sangat-sangat sesuai untuk scalper yang mana berminat untuk gunakan ECN lah. Tapi bagi yang baru bermula, yang baru start ni tadi, Abang Is biasa galakkan gunakan standard account dulu. Sebabnya untuk biasakan diri anda dengan terms and condition, dalam masa yang sama untuk pastikan kalau kata mula tu modalnya tak kasar sangat. Itu yang paling penting. Kerana bagi orang yang baru bermula ni mungkin persediaan mental dia agak sikit kurang lah. Agak tak sama dengan orang yang maybe dah trade 3 ke 6 bulan. So kalau macam tu, kita di A-Markets ambil pilihan untuk kurangkan risk dia masa trade, so that dia pun boleh belajar dan sesuaikan dia, adapt pada condition market. Yes, betul. Okay, so itu berkenaan dengan 0% commission. So ini berkait rapat dengan jenis-jenis akaun yang disediakan oleh A-Markets lah. Kalau tengok dekat sini, jenis-jenis akaun dia ada, kita ada crypto, kita ada fix, kita ada standard dengan ECN. Untuk crypto ni of course untuk berdagang crypto lah.
Dalam masa yang sama, depositnya pun dalam crypto juga. So makna siapa yang ada Bitcoin, siapa yang ada USDT, siapa yang ada Ethereum, tak nak tukar pergi fiat. Biasa kita deposit crypto, dia akan tukar pada fiat. Lepas tu nanti bila kita withdraw, dia akan value balik dan dapat balik coin ni, betul? Yang ni tak ada. Masuk Bitcoin, dapat pun balik Bitcoin juga. Kita tak ada tukar. So yang ini memang special untuk penyimpan-penyimpan crypto trade. Okay, dalam masa yang sama kita juga ada offer swap free account.
Swap free account.
Cuma swap free account ni biasanya pilihlah account mana yang nak buka, standard ke ECN ke ataupun fix. And then bagi tahu pada account manager masing-masing, saya nak convertkan account ni kepada swap free. So swap free ni biasanya Abang Is galakkan untuk long term trader. Siapa yang nak swing ataupun dia bukan intraday trader, gunakanlah swap free ni supaya anda tak kena swap lah. Tetapi setiap benda yang kurang tu ada lebihnya, setiap ada yang lebih tu ada kurangnya, sebab dunia ni tak sempurna. Dunia ni tak sempurna. Jadi untuk account swap free ni tidak ada bonus ditawarkan. Itu saja. Swapnya hilang, bonusnya pun tak ada. Tapi kalau untuk akaun-akaun lain yang tidak swap free, yang mungkin nak digunakan secara intraday trade, bonus ni masih ada kat situ.
Cuma dia swap lah.
Cuma dia ada swap lah. Sebab tu kita galakkan, kalau kata yang Muslim ni gunakan untuk intraday lah. Maknanya masuk pagi, malam tutup lah. Jangan sampai rollover.
Betul. Okay. So mungkin yang kurang faham berkenaan dengan swap ni, boleh study dululah.
Betul.
Tapi saya rasa ramai season trader ni memang dah masalah pasal swap ni.
Saya setuju.
So memang tak ada masalah dalam pemilihan akaun. Tapi saya sebenarnya suka nak tarik balik berkenaan dengan crypto punya account tadi, sebab saya rasa tak banyak platform yang disediakan, especially dalam Malaysia ni, yang trade crypto pure kripto.
Saya setuju.
Guna kripto, trade kripto, dapat balik
Ya,
kripto.
betul.
Sebab saya rasa kebanyakan platform yang ada ni mostly international.
Setuju.
Balik-balik pun nanti kita kena pergi Binance lah.
Betul.
Kita kena tukar dekat exchanger yang international. So dekat situ ada gas fee dia semua. So bila ada ni saya rasa macam amazed. Saya sebenarnya impressed. Mungkin ini adalah dia punya tanda-tanda.
Betul.
Untuk saya pun start.
Marilah kita berdayung sama-sama.
Marilah kita berdaya sama-sama. Katanya nak fly to the moon tak lama lagi guys.
Biarlah for fly, jangan susunam.
So guys, gunakan kesempatan ini untuk mulakan career berdagang kripto anda, sebab boleh juga berdagang atas leverage menggunakan kripto account di A-Markets. Okay, itu sedikit sebanyak tentang jenis-jenis account di A-Market. So next, ada juga promotion invite a friend. Yang ni bagaimana pula?
Okay, invite a friend ni dia lebih kurang macam kalau kata kita nak katakan, mungkin ada yang dah familiar kalau kata IB ni dengan program yang kita panggil CPA. Okay, cuma CPA ni tadi dia ada target dan dia ada pula dia punya duration, dia ada period dia dalam tempoh berapa lama awak kena dapatkan berapa orang klien dan juga berapa banyak deposit sekian-sekian. Dia ada level-level dia untuk kita dapatkan CPA payment tu tadi. Tapi refer a friend ni dia terbuka kepada semua orang. Even kita tak nak jadi IB pun tak apa, tapi sebab ada member kan nak ikut trade kan.
Macam malas nak fikir, tapi ala-ala member dia nak trade.
Kan ambillah kesempatan tu, bagilah link tu dan kita akan bagi remuneration kat dalam refer a friend ni tadi. Jadi anda tak ada obligation sebagai IB, tapi anda masih lagi boleh mendapatkan something daripada kami lah. Ada orang kata timbal balik dia lah. Tak rugi jemput kawan-kawan pergi market macam tu.
Yes, betul. Mungkin dia tak nak tak nak komit jadi IB lagi, tapi dia nak rasa. Dia nak rasa-rasa. Dia nak buat rasa-rasa, buat manis-manis. Bolehlah try invite a friend ni untuk ajak kawan-kawan yang especially yang baru nak trade untuk buka akaun bersama dengan A-Market. Masih ada gula-gula yang disediakan oleh A-Market untuk untuk hard work yang anda tunjukkan.
Betul.
So
mana tahu bermula daripada refer a friend ni, daripada orang kata tak beria lah nak buat tu, tiba-tiba anda boleh bina satu empire IB anda sendiri yang boleh menyebabkan anda relax tak payah kerja dah.
Dia macam intro
tu orang kata pembukaan dia tu macam tu, ending dia dah jadi besar, dah jadi master IB lah. Kita tak tahu apa yang ada untuk kita, rezeki Tuhan nak bagi. Betul.
So boleh gunakan ni sebagai batu loncatan anda mungkin untuk career IB anda di masa hadapan. Okay, seterusnya juga yang ni paling menarik minat saya, account transfer to A-Markets. Yang ni sebenarnya how it works?
Okay, account transfer to A-Markets ni sebenarnya adalah untuk penghijrah daripada broker lain, platform lain yang hendak ke A-Market, tapi dia tak nak go through the hassle of saya mungkin equity dia tu besar, jadi kan nak withdraw balik keluar and then nak masukkan balik tu agak sikit leceh lah, banyak dia punya urusan dia.
Betul.
So apa yang A-Markets boleh bantu adalah kami boleh jadi bridge di mana kami boleh uruskan perpindahan tu semua, termasuk dengan fundnya sekali terus pada kami. Maknanya kami deal direct broker to broker lah on behalf of client, dengan syarat klien beri kebenaran. So ini adalah salah satu daripada services yang kami tawarkan juga. Tapi ini adalah untuk akaun yang equity-nya tidak kurang daripada 10k lah. Maksudnya bila dia pindah ke A-Market tu, kami akan terus bukakan dia satu akaun yang ada VIP status. Tapi kalau bukan kata nak berpindah daripada broker lain pun, tapi nak juga dapatkan VIP status di akaun tu, boleh, tak ada masalah. Hubungi saya, hubungi tim saya, account manager kami Izwan dan juga Amar, ataupun Izwan dan saya adalah BD, ataupun Amar dan juga Bazli, account manager kami. So kami akan bantu untuk dapatkan VIP status bagi account dah. Cuma bagi VIP status ni minimum depositnya bermula daripada $5,000 USD. So dekat sini apa yang kita dapat dalam VIP status ni adalah cashback rebate yang lebih baik. Dalam masa yang sama kita punya spread tu akan berada pada level VIP. Dia sangat-sangat nipis lah, walaupun untuk akaun yang standard. So ini adalah salah satu lagi jenis akaun yang kami tawarkan, tapi kami kurang war-warkan.
Dia tak ada tulis dekat website, tapi kalau boleh, macam contoh dekat dalam wallet tu dah ada certain amount, so akan dihubungi lah oleh tim A-Markets untuk bagi tahu dah layak jadi
dah
VIP.
sampai dah ketika dia. Kata dah boleh convert dah boleh naik pangkat kat situ. InsyaAllah. Sebab tim kami memang sentiasa galakkan mana-mana klien yang ada equity yang 5,000 dan ke atas ni untuk pakai VIP status ni lah, so that dia punya trading tu akan jadi lebih efisien. Dia punya kedudukan profit itu mungkin akan dapat bertambah sikit lagi sebab spread tu dah dikurangkan lah. So A-Market actually bergerak pada model fair and transparent, di mana kita fair dalam kita punya dealing trade dan kita transparent. Benda tak boleh memang kita bagi tahu memang tak dapat. Kita cakap terang-terang je, tak ada ding dong, tak ada buang masa.
Alright. So fair and transparent, of course itu adalah orang kata visi dan misi yang dibawa oleh A-Markets. So mungkin ada yang di luar sana sebabkan dia punya amount dekat platform lain tu orang kata terlalu besar.
Betul.
So bila dia nak convert tu, aduh, kena keluarkan,
kena titik dengan rate lagi,
dah ada fee dengan rate lagi, tu nak tukar balik, masuk dah lah, kena titik dengan rate balik, balik-balik dekat platform baru dah jadi kurang 20%, kurang 20 ke 30%. So don't worry, A-Market ada menyediakan servis bridging from broker to broker. So mungkinlah ada di antara mereka, di antara tuan-tuan dan puan-puan yang sedang mendengar ini nak mulakan step berkenaan, boleh terus hubungi A-Market, boleh terus hubungi Abang Is di Facebook yang telah saya letakkan di ruangan komen, Iskandar A-Market, dan mulakan perbincangan bagaimana kita nak start proses ni.
InsyaAllah tim kami akan bantu sebaik mungkin.
Dan juga bila dah pindah tu, memang seperti yang Abang Is juga explain tadi, dia punya situation dia ataupun status sebagai VIP tu tentunya menjanjikan trading condition yang lebih baik lah untuk bakal pemilik-pemilik account VIP di A-Markets sini. Okay, so jadi tuan-tuan dan puan-puan, terima kasih kerana tuning in ke segmen kita pada petang ini. Jika anda mempunyai sebarang soalan, kemusykilan atau apa-apa yang ingin ditanyakan, boleh terus typekan di ruangan komen. Kita disertai oleh Muhammad Rizam Abdul Latif, katanya hi Denis dan Iskandar. Muhammad Rizam, thank you Rizam for tuning in. Kita juga ada Abah Alfisal, katanya good platform A-Markets. Thank you bah. Malam ni bah kasi jadi. Malam ni.
Thank you for the support bah.
Atikah Nazri dia bagi emoji. Saya rasa ni thank you terbaik. And Muhammad Rasidin Abdul Ghafar katanya saya rasa dia nak kita punya gift card. So stay tune. Rasidin Abdul Ghafar.
Tak apa Bandin nanti balik rumah jumpa saya kat surau. Rumah kita bukan jauh pun.
So Bandin Roger okay. So moving on daripada kita punya the first half of our segment, which involves around the facilities as well as promotion that provided for all the clients dekat A-Markets ni. Abang Is ada apa-apa add on lagi ke yang tertinggal?
Buat masa sekarang tak ada lagi. Alhamdulillah, semua dah berjaya disampaikan dengan baik.
Yes, memang clear, lancar, dan saya rasa saya faham lah. So hopefully the new traders as well as those traders who are looking for new platform or new broker to start their trading again, do consider A-Markets with all the promotion and facilities offered for all the clients who trade with A-Markets. So we're moving back to Dennis.
Hey guys.
Okay,
I'm sitting here like I guess it's wonderful. Nothing to say.
So what do you think of the energy that Iskandar brought to our segment today?
We was trying to persuade. Now that's why you see why I'm not alone right now. So I have another one who can definitely speak more about our excellent product and our partner line and clients line, about our technical tools that we provided mostly for those who want to get more analyst materials with the tools of EA and some kind of signals that we provide on our official channel, and very soon we will implement it for Malaysian Bahasa version respectively. And of course, our indicator, I understood that's Iskandar already tell about the deep expertise.
It's a one big
because this is the really exciting indicator that has many success story around our community in different levels of the clients and fund managers. So we highly recommend to use this indicator. We highly recommend to use it for the partners, for those who use their own channels to deliver some analytic materials. And meanwhile, if in case partner have his own signals or his own expertise in this matter, definitely the auto charter service will be good for them and for their clients. We provide them for use the widgets and the information to be delivered for their channels respectively. That's why the clients will be able to get very specific and very accurate analytic tools from A-Markets. and they will not be required with the high level of the deposits, you see, because sometimes a broker have limits.
Yes.
In case you have VIP deposit, you will be able to open special facilities. In our case, we understand that the people can start from the markets with having some concerns or have lack of knowledge. That's why we're trying to support them, support their successful trades as much as we can, and not only in the terms of meaning of the voice, but in the meaning of the technologies as well, the meaning of the facilities we provide, that we invest more, and it requires big amount of budgets to support the service, to deliver it, and our clients have this facility almost for free. So this is what we are proud of. It's also the part of our conception to be more trusted, transparent, and stable broker.
Okay, so this is the vision and mission that iMarkets bring to the local community, the local traders of Malaysia. The amount of trading tools, facilities that is clear to what iMarkets actually trying to build here in Malaysia, which is a healthy trading culture that we don't really see as quick hit and run. We try to avoid a hit and run situation where a broker bring this ridiculous amount of bonuses, this ridiculous amount of trading condition that which later gonna cause a lot of problems in the future. So definitely the kind of platform that traders should really look forward to, something that healthy as well as long lasting for a longer period of time. So there's also another thing that I would like to touch today, which is the deposit condition, the deposit method that actually you guys have in iMarkets, because I think we've talked before during the previous segment, which is there are lots of ways to deposit in iMarkets. So,
and it's just the beginning. Try to imagine how many news we are prepared for our clients and partners. So yeah, absolutely right, Boboi. It's a good question. Last time I just informed you that we are on the stage of finalizing our new payment system, new aggregator. And today I'm proud to say that we already released Do It Now and Touch and Go. It's completely implemented to our product front line. So any client from Malaysia, they can use the system located in our cabinet, and they can choose the online banking, Touch and Go, or Do It Now, if in case they're really convenient with the system, with these e-wallets or banking processing. So right now we become much more closer to the client's needs, to the partner demands, because many people have different preference in terms of security or personal preferences. How I will pay, what will I use, banking card, online banking, I know, crypto, or wallet like a Touch and Go that is most popular only in Malaysia. It's a national system, and that's why we are proud to give this very thin funnel how to use it, very lucrative conditions, because iMarkets don't charge any commission for deposit. We have no any commission for withdrawal if in case you use online banking or virtual accounts. So it's also the case we are proud of. We take this obligation under our side, so we compensate it, because many payment system, almost all of them, they charge brokers. So sometimes brokers try to transfer this commission for the pocket of the client. But we are trying to be the best one in this case. We're trying not to oblige trader, just let him think about real success results.
Right. So that is also applicable for withdrawal as well?
At the moment, our online banking is available for withdrawal. For Touch and Go, we still collaborate in this case. So
but the deposit is already enabled.
Stable, yeah.
So if you guys check out your cabinet if you are registered with iMarkets and you check out your cabinet on your deposit method, they are all listed there.
Of course, just choose Malay version, Malay flag, but our system is redirected to you automatically. So all Malaysian clients and partners, they should find this in the section Setor deposit. So they will find all convenient methods according to their needs. Virtual account, online banking, card processing. At the moment, we also on the final stage to integrate FPX. It's the main processing system for Malaysia. It's like a Visa and MasterCard. So of course, this collaboration with this company, it's a huge company. I'm personally in touch with them. I'm personally leading this process with the communication of the COO and billing department and technical department as well. So I hope very soon we will release this payment system for Malaysia. So we will be able to give direct, pure processing system for the local debit cards.
All right. So I think that sounds amazing, especially for the newer generation of traders.
Exactly.
The younger generation, we call it as Gen Z or the TikTok generation. They are open for all these kind of facilities or new method of deposit, I think they are more free towards that. I think Touch and Go e-wallet is also, of course, one of the things that is more accessible towards the local community here in Malaysia. So I guess there is no more excuses not to trade with A-markets. All the convenience is here for you traders, already provided by the broker A-market. So also I would like also to touch in regards to the instruments provided in A-markets, because all the facilities, all the promotion that is ongoing in A-markets, we might as well talk about the instruments here available at A-markets.
Sure. In this case, we are really proud to say that right now A-markets covers all popular assets on the financial markets.
Okay.
Here we are talking about FX, we are talking about energy, we are talking about commodities, indexes, bonds, we are talking about stocks, we are talking about FX and crypto, of course. So in this case, what it means? It means that we invest a huge amount of funds for LP, connecting LP conditions that allow us to use liquidity directly to our MT4 and MT5. We have two platforms. Full amount of assets. What it means? It means that the different audience of the partners or different audience of the clients with specific demands, for example, for the indexes or for the bonds, they will be really happy to find our assets with the lucrative conditions in terms of spreads, in terms of contract size, in terms of leverage, of course. And we are really proud of this case that we have one of the best conditions on XAU USD with the high leverage, even on the ECN account that has extremely lucrative spreads and ultra fast execution that equaled about 0.03 seconds only. The combination of this powerful services allow us to find and meet the interest of the whole portrait of the professional traders and newcomers, those who really persuade the trends of XAU USD. It's the most popular instrument in Malaysia and Southeast Asia and Middle East and many other countries. And of course, we are proud to say that this is what they want to see, and also what do their partners sometimes want to see, because in this case, we are not reduce the IB remuneration. It's also a big subject to discuss, because sometimes if in case you reduce spreads, you are forced to reduce IB remuneration.
Yes.
And it was a big challenge for us, but we found the solution how to keep lucrative IB remuneration on the standard account for our trusted partners with the connection of the pretty lucrative spread that less than 30 pips on XAU USD. It's about 22 up to 28 pips only, depending on the market.
Okay, so those are the philosophy behind the instruments that are provided here in A-markets. But as you can see as well, I'm not sure our viewers can see on the banner behind our guests. You can see
killing points on behind of us.
Those are the killing points, as well as most of the instruments that are provided at A-markets.
Very good. You see?
He's also very good,
No.
Do you see him? You.
Can you see this? BTC leverage 1 to 100.
Yeah.
Very nice, brother.
I think most of the instruments that are being traded by Malaysian traders are all available in A-markets, especially the famous one like gold and the recently become trending indices.
Yes.
And I can surprise you very soon. In the next milestone, we will announce our improvement condition for the indexes.
Yes.
I will keep it in surprise. Let's talk about this on the next meeting with you.
Yes, we have another segment, of course, next week. We're going to talk about that, of course. So our in-house instructor, Abah Al-Fisal, who's also going to go live tonight later at 10 p.m., is specialized in trading index, especially Dow Jones, DJI 30, and he has been testing it. He has been testing the instrument in A-markets, and of course, we have been hearing good words from him. The execution, of course, as well as the spread, everything goes smoothly for him, who has the experience more than 10 years in the industry. We have been hearing good words from him in regards to the index in A-market. So I guess those are the attractive point for those who are interested in trading index here at A-markets. Okay, so I think we've talked about the promotion, we've talked about the facilities for clients, as well as some of the general information that you guys have in A markets like product and services, as well as instruments and leverages. Of course, about deposit and withdrawal as well. But the other day, during the first segment of A markets here in CTC, you guys also talk about the financial commission that is A markets tied to. So can you guys, can Dennis especially talk about that once again in order to reiterate for our client?
Sure. There are many cases in the industry when big brokers being regulated in some jurisdictions also trying to make some scam activities, and they don't give any real protection being regulated. We have many cases in the story of financial industry when we have companies from FCA, SISEC, ISIC, DFSA, many high regulated companies were not able to execute their obligations in the fair way towards their clients and partners because they got abusement in terms of bonus model.
Yes.
They trying to make hype. And in this case, many big regulatory bodies were not able to fix the problem between broker and client. And we know the many cases that still disputes goes. So it takes about 5 years or even more in some companies. That's why it's about the value, about the compromises, which regulatory body you will use. And with these regards, financial commission can be considered as one of the most transferable and high resolution company who can provide any dispute resolution, who can analyze the case, and if in case clients will be really accessible to get his withdrawal or change in the results of the execution, we will be obliged to compensate the results of the order, or we will be compliant. We will be able to, of course, to execute other obligations with according to the policy of our membership of financial commission and protection of the client. But the main case that this regulatory body really executes disputes, because if in case you will claim to the SISEC or FSA, you will be able to get the reply for many months or even years. This is the case.
Yes.
What clients really need? They really need the logotype of the regulatory body, or they need real protection. Let's ask them, guys, what do you like to do? Because many cases, it's still endless road.
Yes, of
but
course.
However, we are regulated by the company who have incorporated in Hong Kong. It's international intermediate body.
Yes.
And there are many big powerful brokers are also members of this commission. So it's not like a one-day company who trying to get some fake regulatory. No, of course, they also have their own obligation and they care of their reputation. That's why all dispute resolutions works properly. You can see the Financial Commission website. You can see our A category certificate with the date promulgated and our profiling, and all clients can make complaint if they really have faced it with this. But we are proud of the fact that we have no any negative complaints, because clients are happy with withdrawal, with execution, with the trading conditions we providing. However, we are talking about this regulatory body. We can say that this is the good alternative. Try to imagine if in case you are regulated by SISEC, you will kill your leverage.
Yes.
You will be able to restrict your marketing campaign.
I see.
You will not be able to give high lucrative rebate for your partner, or maybe you will completely be impossible to work with the partner because it complies and it requires special audit, special let's say legal opinion from the government of the country where you exist. Try to imagine what is the headache, and the product will be not interesting to anybody, but client will be protected. Here we can say about alternative clients also protected, but they can get brilliant product.
Yes, I think it's a fair condition as well for the client.
Exactly.
So I haven't actually met any other broker that actually trying to push the kind of regulatory body they are part of. So A Markets actually the first.
We are put it on the front line. We are proud to be the member of the system, and we are proud that we have absolutely no negative complaints. However, if in case it happened, please
do so. So it's on the first segment of Trade Talk. Actually, Alexander came and talked about this, and I was very impressed as well. I would like to reiterate as well in order to gain confidence in our viewers as well to start trading with A Markets. Do also check the Financial Commission website to learn more about this regulatory body and how you are protected in terms of your rights as a trader here at A Markets.
$20,000 or euro, sorry.
Yes, 20,000 euro per claim. Yes.
Per client, per trading account. So if it has bigger trading accounts, of course, protection will be higher.
Perfect. So that is in regards to your protection of your rights as a trader here at A Markets. So do check it out. So I'm going to read some of the comments as well that we have today. Aini Adila said A Market the best. Thank you. Alexander sending some love emoji. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thanks, Alex.
And there's another comment. It's fantastic to see Alexander, Denis and Boboi come together to discuss the best of A Markets. Their expertise in trading is definitely valuable for the community. Thank you for the comment. Thank you for the vote of confidence as well. So there's another thing that I would like to bring up because this has been a discussion among me and my peers about copy trade. Do A Markets interested in introducing copy trade?
Definitely.
Yeah, it's a good story because right now, of course, A Markets has copy trading as a service.
Okay.
At the moment, in some countries, we are trying to profile in our fund manager, our pilot. Because, industry also have seen many negative cases when the copy trading trying to abuse your business model. And this is also the part of our conception, how we can protect the clients from themselves or partner from their not transparent activity. It means that, of course, we have copy trading, we have our official rating, we have our new core, new engine of the platform, and very soon we will release many updates with regardless of the UX, UI, and interfaces. It will be brilliant story. Also keep it secret for the next time. And what concerns Malaysian partners, of course, we are open-minded for them. We are ready to discuss with this scanner or with me sometimes to profiling them and their targets and their expectations, the amount of equity and the trading style they trade. Because if in case a partner comes to you and say, okay, we will bring you $100K of the followers under their deposits, but we don't care about how they will trade, how they will use risk management or how they will think about next deposits, because if in case copy trader palette makes some mistakes, client who has very small amount of deposits, they are scared. It's not like a professional trader, and it's okay because they are just learning the market. And if in case they have some movement to the negative, they say, oh my god, it's not a good story for us, and then trying to leave broker. That's why what it means that the pilot has not been profiled properly. That's why he has obligation in the eyes of the trader with the reputation of the broker who gives him platform and himself, his personal reputation. And sometimes partners don't care about this. They just persuade and growth deposit and marketing budget, However, we trying to educate them because of their safety on the long distance. They will be thankful for us. They will say, thank you guys for this requirements or this risk management conditions. That's why we ask them, please, let's start from, I don't know, maybe $1,000 or $500 just to profile your trading. Let's see how you trade, because you take very solid responsibility under yourself. You will lead the people to the success with the trusted broker like in A Markets. If in case they make mistakes, it's also be our mistake. We share this obligation. That's why we try to focus on those who really be professional, who really can generate profit on the long distance. That's why we give some requirements for the success fee. We can analyze their trading strategy, the instruments, the assets they are using, and who are their followers. It also should be a true story. So we are focusing more for those who have base camps or education. So for this partner, definitely our copy trading doors will be open.
I see. So it's not like everyone can participate in this.
Of course, in theory, everybody can.
Everybody can.
Just please contact us, contact me or Iskander or our other team of the guys, our social media, website, live chat. So, of course, let's do it.
Let's just get in touch.
But actually, if some of investors want to join, it's easy. They open our rating. We have no any conditions for the investors. They can come to open copy trading in markets, choose the best pilot, the best fund manager, join them. If in case the conditions are satisfied, please go ahead. We will be more than happy.
I see. So it's actually another opportunity as well for the traders. Not just you can start your affiliate program, partner program, or become start your EA program as well with the VPS provided, or become a new trader. You can also join a copy trade program here at A Market. I think A Market provided everything that is to think of everything that trader ever needed in a broker.
In regards talking about EA, okay, we have this one special section we call EA Marketplace inside our dashboard. But this one, I'm going to talk on the next episode. This one is especially for EA programmers, EA owners that have that think that the EA have the value inside the global market. So we have prepared to you guys EA Marketplace. So this is, I think, among all of the brokers that I have tried, this is one unique opportunities with A Markets, because I think all of them, we are the only one who offers EA Marketplace.
No, it's not just trying to put your EA in use, but as well as trying to promote the EA that you've created.
The EA to all existing clients with a safe condition. Because sometimes on the client part, when they buy EA, they don't know about the statistics, the probabilities, how much to run it, how much deposit that you need and whatnot. And on the part of the EA owner, they don't know how to put the value to the EA. How much I want to sell it? How much? This one, we already put it on set. You just need to do it. You just need to put your EA over there, advertise with us, and earn more.
That is amazing to hear. I think we should talk more about that in the next segment. Since we already reached 5 p.m. today, the end of our segment. A little bit of teaser in regards to EA. I think those are going to attract some more audience in the next segment. If you guys are interested to learn more about EAs, maybe you guys are EA provider or EA developer, want to looking for a platform to push your EA as well, to tune into our next segment next week. So before we put an end to our segment today, Dennis and Iskandar, do you guys have anything else to add on?
Dennis.
Actually, I'm inviting everybody for the Ramadan Holy Segment competition dedicated only for Malaysian traders, with the respects to the local Holy segment. And it is like a final chance to be a winner, because we already have some leaders. But the still 2 weeks, I think, will be good choice for those who will come to us and use our promotion for themselves. It's a good chance, because I will remember in May 6th we will make a wonderful United Open House.
Of course.
It's a good chance to discuss face to face all feedback, all news, all company insights. Maybe
you can talk to us during that time, no problem, tak ada masalah.
Okay, Iskandar, ada kata-kata terakhir?
Okay, pertama-tama sekali terima kasih sebab CTC hari ini memberi saya ruang untuk ke udara bersama dengan CTC FM. Jemputan untuk hadir ke kita punya rumah terbuka nanti pada bulan Mei, insyaAllah akan disampaikan melalui email. Okay, jadi bagi mereka-mereka yang ada di A-Market sekarang ni bersama dengan kami, jangan lupa check email dah dekat-dekat nanti, dan tunggulah account manager anda call untuk confirmation. Okay, dalam masa yang sama, Ramadan contest masih lagi on untuk kita cari duit raya. Ada lagi 14 hari lagi. So siapa-siapa yang nak cari duit raya, nak balon cukup-cukup, nak membuktikan semangat kepahlawanan anda, saya jemput anda sertai Ramadan contest ni. Sebab apa? Sebab minimum deposit dia kalau nak masuk $3 je. $3 kalau tak ada agak keras sikit Tapi jadi dekat situ kita kira gain yang paling besar. Jadi siapa yang pandai buat gain daripada depo kecil-kecil je, kita alu-alukan lah untuk masuk. Dan nanti untuk segmen kemenangan tu kita akan umumkan di open house kita nanti pada bulan Mei lah. Okay. So terima kasih banyak-banyak bagi pihak CTC sebab bagi kami ruang dan peluang untuk ke udara. Dan kalau ada sebarang soalan, pertanyaan, nak berbincang, boring-boring, tak ada nak berbual, tak ada orang layan pun, boleh contact Abang Izzah. Jangan risau. Abang Izzah memang kaki sembang dia.
Kita boleh setting.
Benda boleh adjust.
So you guys, again, kita nak tekankan, we would like to reiterate, if you guys haven't been able or you guys haven't had the opportunities to check out the Ramadan contest, do click the link in the description. It will redirect you guys to the landing page of the Ramadan contest, and we still have another 2 weeks of Ramadan, which means another 2 weeks of the contest. Do check out the leaderboard as well. And right now, looking at the leaderboard is loading. The number one on the leaderboard is on 200% gain.
200%.
I think for Malaysian traders, it's like kacang ya. 2
minggu sekali jalan lah.
2 weeks 200%, no problem. I think a lot of you guys traders can beat that gain percentage. So do take this opportunity to win some duit raya, as well as for our gift card, our no deposit bonus from AMarkets. Do also follow our Facebook for more information, as we will be releasing information how to get this giveaway for the gift cards. So follow our Facebook as well as our Twitter and Instagram and Telegram channel. Any of this platform, we will be releasing more information on this weekend on how to actually win one of these gift cards. This is $50, but the one that we're giving away is actually $100. It's fully tradable equity, and also you can withdraw the
100
profit.
can be withdrawal. It's your money if in case you're successful.
Yes.
We congratulate you, and it means that you test a market successfully, and we will be happy to continue our work with you.
Yes.
And we hope you will do the same.
Yes, of course.
That's the conception of the gift cards.
All right, so that will be all for our segment Trade Talk episode 3. Thank you for tuning in. For all the Muslims out there, selamat berbuka later, and see you guys next week on the same day and on the same time as well, 4 p.m. Trade Talk powered by AMarkets.
Thank you, Boboi. Good guy, guys. Bye bye.
See you next week.
See you.